I've been using this Linda Italian laundry bar soap for close to 3 years now. My son was born with a lot of allergies and skin sensitivities, and I had a really hard time finding a laundry soap that he didn't rash with. So I ended up making my own. The way I use this laundry soap bar is I actually grate it up and I make a powdered laundry detergent with it. Not only is it way more cost effective, but I've never had an issue with my son rashing, and it feels really good to have nice clean laundry soap without synthetic dyes and things like that. Even though I now have it memorized, I keep the recipe for the laundry soap just in this little recipe book that we have in the kitchen. There's so many ways that you can make this powdered laundry soap, but I use a mix of different products that you can see here. I usually grate the soap bar first and then add in the rest of the powdered ingredients after. The soap bar itself has a really nice scent to it. It's like a very nice and gentle, more natural kind of smell. After I mix all of the powdered ingredients with the grated soap, you just give it a good mix and then you're ready to put it into your container of choice. I use a glass container here. I usually do use a funnel with it, but I couldn't find it. And this is what the soap looks like all mixed up and in the jar and ready to go. My favorite thing about this bar soap is that it's made with all natural ingredients, so I feel really good about what I'm washing my family's clothes with. I have this little cart that I keep in the laundry room that holds everything that I need for laundry and making the soap. If I have leftover bars of soap, if I don't have time to grate all of them at one time, then I usually just put them in a plastic bag and leave them on my little trolley, and then they're there ready to grade when I need them to make soap next time. This bar soap has been a blessing for me, being able to, we will definitely keep buying this soap. I'm so happy that I have one that my son doesn't react to, and it's also saving us a ton of money. And who doesn't want that, right?